Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making unboxing for some package. Actually, I'm making unboxing for wrestling figures that I got for my birthday yesterday. I I did two yesterday, and I'm doing three today. Here's the first one. Here's Legend Series 13. Cowboy Bob Orton picture here. Figure. His garb here, here, whoever else is in the line. Let's open him up. You got Cowboy Bob Orton's vest. You got his cowboy hat. You got his cast when he pretended a long time ago to have a broken arm. You got Cowboy Bob Orton with his boxing gloves. I guess he had a match boxing in the old days. You got the blue trunks, black knee pads, white socks with blue trim, black boots with white laces on both, nothing in the back. And you got a set of interchangeable hands. So that's that. That's that figure. Next one. Series 86 SummerSlam Carmella. You got Carmella, the old Carmella. Right here, the picture on the side, picture on the other side, and the rest of the people in the line and her bio. Carmella is pregnant now with a commentator's baby. She got married to a commentator named Corey Graves. So she looks different now. So that's why I said that this Carmella is the old Carmella. You got the word fabulous on her pants. Then you got Carmella. It says fabulous on her trunks. And then it says fabulous on her top. You got the black socks. You got the black laces with white tennis shoes with black soles. Then you got a money sign, meaning Mella is money. That you see right here. She got a pink bow in her hair. You got a set of interchangeable hands for Carmella. That's that one. And the last one. All these figures that I'm showing are elite figures. So we got Series 15 Legends, Stacy Keibler, first time in the line. You got her face here, here, here. Everybody else in the line and her bio. Got Stacy Keibler's glasses. She got the alternate Stacy Keibler head scan with her hair pulled back. And her interchangeable hands with the pointing fingers. And this one I'm just going to show in the plastic because I can't get it out. Here's this Stacy Keibler figure with a clipboard. And that has been more figures for my birthday. We got a Carmella SummerSlam Series 86 Elite. We got Cowboy Bob Orton Series Legend Series 13. And we got Stacy Keibler Legend Series 15 Elite. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.